This is how I made $2,000 by selling just one PDF file. Now, first thing you need to do, this is important, guys. First thing you need to do, you need to identify a group of people who needs a help with AI. Usually, those are small businesses or people who are just starting their business. Why? Because they have a limited budget or no budget at all. So what they did, they know that AI can help them. So they tested AI and they didn't get the results that they want. So that is where we come. We will help them with the AI. So I identified that real estate agents who are just starting their agencies or who are beginner real estate agents, they need help. They have a limited budget or no budget at all. So they know that AI can help them to make ad copies, logos, banners, brochures, video promotions, and so on and so on. But like I said, they tested and they didn't get the results that they want. So what I did, I actually made a list of prompts that they can use on any AI. And it is literally copy and paste. So even though they are beginners, they will get the results that they want. So if you can make these prompts by yourself, that is by far best option. But if you cannot, you can simply come here on ChatGPT and you can tell it to give you the list of prompts. So you can say something like this. For example, give me a list of 50 prompts for beginner real estate agents. Divide them into categories. Each category should have 10 prompts. The prompts should be precise and detailed, okay? And then press enter. And now ChatGPT will give you list of these prompts. Here you can see it is creating this list. Now, because this list is created by AI, I would strongly recommend you to test each of these prompts because errors are possible. Also, what can happen is you can sometimes even improve these prompts and get even better results. So that is why I would advise you to test each of these prompts, okay? So let's test one of these prompts. So here you can see social media personal branding, lead generation proposals, buyer representation skills, listing and seller representation, productivity, system and business growth, and here you can see how this looks. But I actually wish to add more prompts, so I can say something like this. For example, give me exterior and interior image creation prompts, and then press enter. And now ChatGPT will give me these prompts. Here you can see exterior image creation prompts, 10 prompts. Here you can see these are actually really detailed. And here we will see later interior prompts as well. So let's just test one of these prompts. Let's say, for example, I will test this prompt here. Now, to see does these prompts work on any AI, I will actually use Google Gemini, actually Google Nano Banana. Click here on Tools, Create Image, and I will paste this prompt, okay? Press enter, and now just give it a few seconds to create this image. In the meantime, let's just see, did ChatGPT finish these prompts? And here you can see interior image creation prompts, 10 prompts. Here you can see how this looks, okay? So let's just go back here, and here you can see how this looks. It actually looks really, really good, and it is a royalty-free image. So let me just close this, and let's just test another, but this time interior design, okay? So let's say, for example, I will use this, test this one here. I will go back here on Google Nano Banana, paste it here. Let's just see the results, okay? Just give it a few seconds. And here you can see how this looks. It actually looks really, really good. And it actually complies with this first image that we created, the image of the exterior. Here you can see this actually looks really, really good. So all you have to do is just download this image to your desktop and you can use it to promote your real estate. So now when I have my prompts, all I have to do is I just need to copy these prompts. So let me just highlight all of these prompts. I will just highlight everything, okay? And then copy these prompts, go on Google Documents, create a new document, and then simply paste that here, okay? Here you can see these are these prompts. I actually have 70 prompts, not 50. I added 20 more, so I have 70 prompts, list of 70 prompts. Now, because these guys are beginner, what I did, I added links to the free AIs that they can use. Here you can see some of those. Here you can see ChatGPT. Here you can see Google Gemini, DeepSeek, Grok, Meta AI, and so on and so on. Now I added direct links now, but you can also add affiliate links to those AIs because many of those AIs have paid programs as well, and you can double your earnings, okay? But because those guys are absolute beginners, I help them even further. So what I did, I simply went on YouTube and I found tutorials. Here you can see ChatGPT tutorial, how to use ChatGPT for beginners. 27, almost 28 minutes long. So this is a really good tutorial, 4.5 million views. I did exactly the same thing for all the AIs that I gave them link, for Grok, for ChatGPT, for Meta AI, for DeepSeek, for Copilot, and so on and so on. And I gave them tutorial to help them even more. Now after that, all I did, I simply went back here, click here on File, and then click here on Download, and then click here on PDF document, and I downloaded this list as a PDF document. And I created my one-page store, okay, where I was selling this PDF document. So now what you need to do, you need to start promoting that one-page store, right? So you can simply use one of the prompts that you added to your list to create videos just like this. So you can just play one of these videos. Here you can see how this video looks. As you can see, it looks really good. You can make these videos. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. To make videos like this, you need knowledge, you need skill. But because you are sharing these prompts, that you actually know how to make this. You can even go and ask ChatGPT to give you instructions on how to make videos just like this. And then you can make these videos by using Grok. Totally free, okay? Now, after you created video like this, you need to go here on Instagram, for example, and you can find pages like this, 314,000 followers. And you can contact this person who created this page, and you can offer them to share your video, to upload your video on their page, and to add a link to your store in their bio, okay? In their bio, and because this is really good video, as you can see here, okay? So you will certainly get likes, you will certainly get shares, you will certainly get comments, and you will certainly get thousands of views. And these people will click on your link, okay? And they will start buying that product. But this is also really important, guys, okay? Because these guys are beginners. They have a limited budget or no budget at all. So if you set up the price of your PDF file to be $50 or $100, nobody will buy that. No, these people don't have money to spend $50 on a simple list of prompts. But if you set up the price to be $2, for example, then they will actually buy that list because it is just $2. They can afford to pay $2 for the simple PDF file that contains prompts for AI. And because that will actually help them, and that will be money well spent because it's only $2, okay? So don't overgo with the price. Set it up to $5. $5 for this kind of PDF files is maximum. More than that, you probably won't make any sales, okay? As you can see, guys, you can make money by helping people to earn money by selling just one PDF file. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.